Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'll be working with artificial flowers. I made a wedding 2 weeks ago, and the bride called me because she want to have an exactly a replica of her bouquet but with artificial flowers. So I'm gonna be working on it. The flowers that I will be using are lilies of the valley. I have some spray roses. I brought these Stephanotis with ivies, variegate ivies. Also, I have roses. The holder that I will be using is this one. I couldn't find a green color, so if I have to work with the white oasis, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be really complicated to hide the white color. So what I did is I brought an extra piece of green oasis and I removed this little cage, and I'm gonna reshape this oasis to put it inside of the holder, and then I'm gonna glue it back because this was glued. I'm gonna start doing that. Let me show you just in case. This is the same holder, but this is for fresh flowers. I'm not gonna be using this. You cannot use this with artificial flowers because the oasis is gonna start crumble and the flower is gonna fall. So let's get started with the artificial or foam, or the foam for artificial flowers. Um, just in case, I'm gonna tie something here to protect the holder. I'll be back. Okay, that is gonna be enough. That is gonna be covered with flowers, so don't worry. Um, I need also a holder for my holder. I will put in this way. Okay, the bride is not too tall, and she want to have a small hair-shaped cascade. So the first thing that I want to decide, it has to define the length of the bouquet. So it's gonna be no longer than this, or I can make a little bit longer if I use like a really light greenery. I'm gonna start by cutting these Stephanotis. I will keep the leaf, this leaf. I don't know if all of them, but some of them I'm gonna keep. I will Let me go and grab the picture of her bouquet. Okay, it's right here, the bouquet. I don't know if you can see it. It is small. I brought some green stick because I realized that I'm gonna need to make an extension for these spray roses. I'm gonna leave in that way for now. It's still not rounded. Sorry, it doesn't, I didn't complete the shape because I have to use other flowers, but I'm pretty sure that I have to put something here, but I don't know if I want to keep adding roses. Probably I need more of this. Yeah, probably not, for sure I need more of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this and take a look. I'm still has some holes there that I have to cover, but I need to use, because she loves the lilies of the valley. Okay, let me show you the front. I will move this a little bit back. This is the front of the bouquet. But now what I want to show you is the back. It's look pretty in the front, but the back is horrible. So what I have to do now is resolve this problem. I'm gonna use the same leaf that I have here. So I'm gonna use my glue and put it watching to this side, one by one. So in that way, I will be covering this part that it doesn't look well at all. I will need to have ready the leaves. Probably I have enough. Let me see. Okay. The next step is cover the holder. I will cover this